love going through the little Texas towns. This isn't working out like I thought it would. Maybe I should have wrote some kind of script. I love eating at that place when I go through Edom. Oh, nasty. Well, my inspection didn't go all that great. Chicken wing. There's some old timers that sit at the service station up here on the right, and I always want to sit down with them and shoot the breeze. I never have. Look up here. I bet they're still sitting there. We're on our way. We're on our way to do some business here. I've got to look over this car real good for my client. And if I can find the problems, get used to that. That was a problem. So here we go. Hey, where are you at? This is a 55 he's been building. Boy, it's a beautiful car. 56, I mean. Look at that baby. We're gonna be looking at this one a lot later. That's a 55 chassis. Art Morrison. Maybe need a light in here. And here's the subject at hand. I've got to get some detail shots. You might remember the video on this one. Lights work? Headlight? James ain't heard another word from me. Well, let me tell you something. Hop off that damn taxi. Tomorrow I've got a 68 Charger to inspect in Sherman. Okay, let's get what we need on this car right now. Wants a shot of the throttle linkage. It said where it goes into the firewall. Let's see if I can get that. Oh yeah, that's nice. Shot. The wire loop's kind of in my way. Let's see if I can move it. There you go. This wire here. There it is. Now, what else do we need? Let's see if I can get the numbers while I'm back there. Maybe not. The dang casting numbers are back there and they're hard to see. I see them. Let's see if I can get them. Come on, baby. There you are. There's part of them. Looks like it's 3970010, our basic 350 block. It's always my first guess. Can't guess on this kind of stuff. 3970010. That's the one. Casting number used in many GM blocks over the years. Good old Kickapoo Creek here. Time for some chicken fried steak after a hard day's work inspecting that Camaro. Can't wait till the next story comes along. Time to put her up.